How to use Napkin AI for beginners. Now, I've logged in, and as soon as you log in, there are three choices. Now, Napkin AI is an AI tool that turns text and ideas into visual diagrams, charts, and presentations automatically. People mainly use it for creating flowcharts from written ideas, turning notes into infographics, making presentation visuals quickly, explaining complex topics visually, brainstorming and organizing ideas, and creating social media graphics or business diagrams. In my case, I'm gonna use it to tell a little story. Paste your text, describe your idea, or import a file. So here I have a story. Let's generate visual. Here you have the three little pigs' houses. The first little piggy builds a straw house, quick and easy. Second builds stick house, stronger than a straw. And the third one builds a brick house. As you can see, there are other suggestions that the AI is doing, which are really good. I can use this one, and then I can change the visuals. So let's just do the first one, and here it is. Now we can create a second one. Here in the recent, you can see which one have you recently used. So if you want the same exact one for every one of these, you can. Let's just click this one and let's click the same look. And the interesting thing about Napkin AI is all of these visuals are incredibly customizable. So you can delete this one, put a second choice here, fonts, colors, size, you can swap the template. And if you want to share this, you can click share. Anyone with a link can view. And you can either copy link or export everything in a PDF file or export only the visuals. Let's do copy link. From the perspective of the other people that are going to be viewing this, if they paste the link in, this is what they're going to be seeing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.